This is a nice little hub where students know that they're going to get the support they need when they come to Bethany. I'm Angie Johnson, and I am a professor in the English department, and I coordinate the Ada Stokes Writing Center. In the Ada Stokes Writing Center, we help students across campus. We help students from the business department, from biology, from history, psychology, English. And we don't just help with academic writing, we also help with creative writing. We've seen screenplays in here, poetry, stage plays, short stories. If they present us images and say, hey, what does this communicate to you? We can discuss those things. We also help with resumes and cover letters, things like that. And what we do is we mentor and help support students develop their critical thinking. And we do that by reading their works, asking them a lot of questions about their works, showing them where there might be gaps in their thinking and where they can develop it. And it's a lot of fun. This space contributes to the student experience by being this nice little hub where individuals can come and feel like they're supported in their thinking and their academic and creative efforts. And I don't think it's just this space alone that helps with that. I think it's the fact that we have the Academic Resource Center right next door, right? We have career services right next door to them. We have the International Student Office right over here. So it's this nice little hub where students know that they're going to get the support they need when they come to Bethany. First-time visitors need to know that when they come to this space to use it, that they are going to be welcomed. We're here to serve students. Whether they want help understanding an assignment or looking it over before they turn in an assignment or a creative work or whatever it is, that we are here to mentor them and to stand with them. We all know in the Writing Center that writing is a process, so they should relax and use us and come on in.